Open the BTCC app and tap the Copy tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Futures Copy Trading page where you can explore different lead traders. You can browse a list of lead traders and compare their performance. Take your time to check their trading style, win rate, risk level, and overall performance. Once you find a trader you're interested in, simply tap Copy to move to the setup page. The second way is through Top Picks. Think of Top Picks as BTCC's curated list of standout traders. These traders are selected based on factors like stable performance, high win rates, and strong risk management. For beginners, this can be a great place to start because it helps you discover traders who may be more suitable for long-term, steady copying. The third way is by using Search Trader. At the top of the market board, tap the search bar and enter the full nickname of the lead trader you want to find. Once the trader appears, tap Copy, and you'll be taken directly to the Copy Trading Setup page. Now that you've selected a lead trader, it's time to set up your copy trading parameters. BTCC currently offers 4 main setup areas: copy mode selection, per trade settings, maximum copy amount, and advanced settings. Let's break them down one by one. First up, copy mode selection. BTCC supports 2 copy trading modes: fixed margin mode and proportional margin mode. The default mode is fixed margin, but you can switch modes from the top right corner of the setup page. Let's start with fixed margin mode. In fixed margin mode, you choose a fixed amount of USDT to use for every copied trade. For example, let's say you set each copied trade to 50 USDT and your maximum copy margin is 200 USDT. Every time the lead trader opens a new position, your account will copy that trade using 50 USDT. Since your total limit is 200 USDT, you can hold up to 4 active copy trades at the same time. Why 4? Because 200 divided by 50 equals 4. Simple, right? This mode is beginner-friendly, easy to understand, and suitable for users who prefer a clear and consistent amount for every copied trade. Next, let's talk about proportional margin mode. This mode copies trades based on the size of the lead trader's position. Here's the formula. Copy trade value equals the trader's position value multiplied by your selected proportional margin rate. For example, if the lead trader opens a position worth 10,000 USDT and you set your proportional margin rate to 0.1, your copy trade will be 10,000 times 0.1, which equals 1,000 USDT. This mode gives you more flexibility because your copied position changes depending on the trader's actual position size. It also means your profit and loss may be more closely aligned with the lead trader's performance. Now let's move to per order copy settings. Next, we have maximum copy amount. This is your total copy trading limit. Once this amount is reached, the system will stop copying additional trades from that trader. In fixed margin mode, you can estimate the number of copy trades using this formula. Maximum copy amount divided by per trade copy amount. For example, if your per order amount is 10 USDT and your maximum copy amount is 1,000 USDT, then you can hold up to 100 active copy trades. In proportional margin mode, this formula does not apply because each copy trade amount depends on the lead trader's position size and your selected ratio. Now let's talk about a very important setting: copy ongoing positions. When this feature is enabled, the system will immediately copy any positions the lead trader is already holding using the current market price. This setting is enabled by default, but there's also a built-in protection mechanism. If the system detects that the price difference between your opening price and the lead trader's original buying price is more than 3%, the copy order will automatically fail. This helps protect users from entering a position too far away from the lead trader's entry price. Now, let's go into advanced settings. This is where you can customize your copy trading experience even further. Advanced settings include contract settings, auto update, copy trade stop loss for the trader, take profit per order, and stop loss per order. First, copy trading contract settings. Here, you can choose the trading pairs you want to copy from your selected lead trader. In most cases, it is recommended to match the lead trader's settings. By default, the position mode is cross-margin, and the leverage will follow the lead trader's settings. Next is Auto Update. When Auto Update is enabled, any new trading pairs added by the lead trader will automatically sync to your copy trading settings. This feature is enabled by default, so your settings can stay aligned with the trader's strategy. Now let's talk about one of the most important risk control tools, Copy Trade Stop Loss for Trader. This feature lets you set the maximum net loss you are willing to accept when copying a trader. Once your net loss reaches that limit, the system will stop copying that trader and handle the remaining positions based on your selected settings. Here, net loss means total copy trade profit minus total copy trade loss, including floating profit and loss. In other words, this feature helps you set a clear boundary before emotions get involved. Next is Take Profit per Order. When enabled, the system can automatically place a take profit order for each copied trade based on the lead trader's parameters. This can help lock in profits without requiring you to monitor every position manually. And finally, we have Stop Loss per Order. When enabled, the system can automatically place a stop loss order for each copied trade based on the lead trader's parameters. This helps manage risk on each individual position and may reduce potential losses during sudden market movements. Now, what if you want to stop copy trading? No problem! To cancel copy trading, open the BTCC app and go to My Copy Trades. Then tap My Traders. Select the trader you want to stop copying and open the Copy Management page. From there, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Then confirm that you want to stop copying the lead trader. Once confirmed, the copy trading relationship will end. And that's it! You've now learned how to use BTCC Futures Copy Trading.